Ang ating best players of this ball game. Coming from the OP executives, we have Sir Franz Alvarez and Asek Jose Canlas. Unahin ko na po dito si Sir Franz. Congratulations po sa kupunan ng OP executives. Tell us more about managing your time. I know it's a Sunday, family day, pero wala pa po kayong absent dito sa kupunan ng OP and you make yourself always available to spend time with your OP family.
Yes, nagpapasalamat ako sa asawa ko na lagi akong pinapayagan maglaro. Yun nga, bawi-bawi lang. Pag may time talagang binibigay sa family, pero pag may games naman naintindihan naman na pinapayagan ako.
And right now, ang goal nyo po is to be able to secure the top 4 in the team standing. So, meaning to say, how will you execute your last 2 games before moving forward to our next round rather?
Sorry, yun.
Kasi ang goal nyo dito is to be able to secure the top 4, no? So ano po yung pwede namin ma-expect from the OP team in your last 2 remaining games here before we move on to the next round?
Well, hopefully, mas maganda na yung laro namin kasi hindi kami nakapag-practice but dahil sa dami na rin ng games na nag-gel na rin kaming lahat. So, hopefully sa next 2 games namin and then heading sa playoffs, mas maganda na yung chemistry talaga namin.
Sir, dun sa mga gusto nyo pong pasalamatan, sa mga messages nyo po dyan and shoutouts nyo po.
Siyempre, yung wife ko and mga anak ko and mga YBC brothers namin, basketball group and Mahogany 3 Boys.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, Sir Franz Alvarez. We now move on to Asek Jose Canlas. Asek, this is your second year joining us here in the Executives Face-Off. Can you tell us more about your experience on your second season here?
First, I would like to thank the Lord for giving us a strength at manalo na naman yung team namin. And I would like to share this victory dito sa aming mga teammates, sa aming coach at saka sa mga players namin na talagang minsan wala yung schedule, hindi kakatama-tama, pero awa ng Diyos ay nananalo pa rin. At sana healthy kami lagi lahat at walang injury. At masaya naman kami lahat. Sa second year ko na ngayon, medyo nag-gain mo na yung experience saka yung rapport with the team.
Of course, can you also comment about the team effort and the teamwork of the team?
Yes, yung team namin talagang nagpapasa ng bola, talagang nabibigayan. Talaga it's a team effort. Especially yung coaching staff namin, talagang matyaga sila na kung ano yung gagawin namin ng mga plays.
May mga gusto po ba kayong batin at pasalamatan para sa laro ito?
Siyempre yung boss ko, we share this victory to the OP team. Of course, sumula kay Presidente, kay Executive Secretary Bersamin, and si President Marcos, and yung buong mubo ng OP team namin. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din po sa ating 2 best players of this ball game, Asek Jose Canlas, and of course, Sir Franz Alvarez of the OP Executives. We look forward to your next game.